Hey folks, are you a Technivorous fan? I bet you didn't know that I have several other channels on YouTube following my other main interests. You should definitely check them out. I'll put cards up linking to a couple of them, starting with Technivorous Plays. That's my gaming channel, and it's probably my most active other channel. There are a few other channels, such as Sci-Fi and Fantasy with Technivorous, where I talk about whatever I'm reading or watching this week, which is usually sci-fi or fantasy, hence the name. Or there is this one. Now, this one might seem slightly more political, but trust me, it's for everybody, or at least everybody who is concerned about the well being of our country in the near future and is slightly distressed with the things they've been seeing lately. Then you have finally this one right here, and this is the last available channel from Technivorous. And these channels are all pretty much starting out. None of them are as far along as this channel you're watching right now, so it would really do me a solid if you could pop over to one of them and hit that subscribe button, or if you're a really big fan, you'll pop over and hit subscribe on all four. I appreciate you checking out this video as well as checking out my other channels, and as always, it's your support that allows us to continue to make these videos, so rock on. I thank you, and we'll see you in the next one, guys. Technivorous out.